Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial. How to remove text or logo from an image. Now start your project. Import your image containing unwanted text or logo and then select the removal tool from the toolbar. Carefully brush over the texted area. Watch Photoshop replace it with background textures. Zoom in the clean leftover edges. Repaint small parts for better blending. And also adjust color tones with hue saturations. Now apply slight blur to hide patches. Use healing brush for finishing touch. Add background gradient if needed. Insert your own custom text or logo and add a drop shadow for realism. Check alignment of your replacement